A very British take on game day snacks. Eton Mess Nachos. Part 3.
What's cooking, good looking? What could be more British than cups of tea, spam, parsnips, roast beef, Eton mess, cups of tea? So the lovely people over at Traeger UK asked me if I wanted to do my kind of British take on game day snacks. Well, how could I resist?
And this is how we're gonna make our Eton Mess Nacho. We're gonna knock up a batter for some meringue and smoke it in the Traeger. Add some summer fruits and berries and whipped cream. Then we'll break up little shards of rich tea biscuits, that British classic, to use as our tortilla dippers. And then we'll wash it down with a cup of tea. Splendidly tickety-boo.
Okay, so this is the first time ever I'm making meringue. So what we need is 2 eggs and 100 grams of caster sugar. Now I know you got to do with an egg, the white out you can do the thing, but I'm gonna try it like this. Wish me luck. Like that, I think, and then I think I got it. I'm just gonna put that back in there. Can I do it again? Okay. Oh man, I done it. Right, our egg whites. You're gonna put that in there. And then we got our caster sugar. Pour that in there. 100 grams. That doesn't look right. That doesn't look right. I'm gonna add another egg.
I gotta say, hats off to the people in olden day France. This took forever with an electric whisk. Still don't think I even got it right.
Okay, I know you're supposed to put it over your head. Yay! This could work. This could work. Okay, before I forget, we better top up.
We need to use apple, plum. Okay, so we're just gonna spoon out our mixture onto some greaseproof paper on a baking tray, and I don't know if this looks kind of flat to me. I don't know if it's gonna rise or not. I mean, at least we know that it just crunches up. If it doesn't rise, I don't know if it's supposed to rise or it's supposed to be. You know what? I got no idea what I'm doing, but I'm here for it. Okay, we got 4 little puddles of meringue. But this will do for our needs today. Okay, that's all we got. 20 minutes whisking, that's all we got.
Okay.
Hey, Bobby!
Yeah.
Just got out of hospital. I was injured in a pillow fight.
Yeah.
Doc said I had concussion.
everything I've done it. Now, I ain't no gingerbread baker or a candlestick maker, but I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, it needs to cool off. Ain't even stuck. I mean, that's gonna be good enough for what we need today. It smells, feels, looks like meringue. I mean, it didn't rise, but I'm feeling it buoyant. I'm feeling like I've risen to the occasion. Got a little smoky pink, smoky meringue. We're on our way to Eton Mess Nacho Shazamness. I can't wait. This has made my day. Shazam.
Okay, while that's cooling and setting, we're gonna have a cup of tea and assemble our mess. We're literally about to make a mess. We got our ingredients. We're gonna start off by mashing up these summer fruits. My wife kindly found these in the back of the freezer. I forgot to get them, so that was a good save. So we just let them defrost for a little while, which didn't take any time at home. We're just gonna mash them up. This is gonna make a nice little mess, really. That's not gonna go on the sofa for a change. Courtesy of my daughters. Okay, so we're just gonna mash them up. That'll do. You wanna mash them too hard, but just make a kind of half jus, something that's gonna just make a bit of a kind of a jam in there, or a jus, well, I don't know what the fancy word is. Okay, and we're gonna top and tail some strawberries. These are nice, sweet little strawberries. And our meringue has set and fallen in on itself. Looks okay, a little bit squishy in the middle there, but I think we're gonna be good for today. It tastes really good. Tastes like meringue. I'm happy with that. I'm kind of happy with that. I like the smoky color from the Traeger apple pellets as well.
Okay, so we're just gonna throw her in here because afterwards you throw it away. I don't even have to wash her up. Okay, I think we'll do a layer of squirty cream. Now it is a law that if you ever have this, you gotta do this first. Required by law. Okay, let's break up some of our meringue. Add a bit more of that. Well, we're making a right mess.
If I'm honest with you, I don't think I've actually ever had Eton Mess before, and I've definitely never made this before, so we are completely winging it here today.
Oh, and typical, it's starting to rain. Okay, let's get this done real quick.
Throw down our summerberry jam. Yeah, nice little contrast of colors there against the white of the meringue and the whipped cream. Throw down our straws like we're at the Wimbledon. And you can't have dipping nacho style Eton Mess nachos without your Eton Mess dippers, aka tortillas, aka the rich tea biscuits, little quarters, and stash them throughout the pan. Yeah, it's coming together. It's looking like nachos.
Almost forgot.
And we're just gonna throw down a couple of bloobs. This looks, yeah, that's definitely a good finishing touch. And I think we're pretty much done here. Looking good.
With strawberries and biscuit. Taste it.
Wow. Can I take a small piece, please? Yum, Daddy. It's delicious.
back.
You see my finger?
Hey, little guy, you want a bite? Well, these are pretty good.
In the rain.
Damn. Well, that's just about all we got time for. Thank you very much for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed. Why not leave a comment below and say hi, and we'll see you in the next video.